Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to solve this pattern puzzle where 4, 2, 2, 3 question mark and 15, and we have to find the value of this question mark. So if you already cracked the logic, comment down below, and if you not, so let's find out. So here 4 to 2, then 2 to 2 again, then 3. So we can see that the difference, there is no logic. First the difference is 2, then 0, then 1. So nothing we could find out. Now if we check, then 2 to 2, how can we reach? By multiplying 1. 2 to 3, how can we reach? By multiplying 1.5. So how can we reach 4 to 2? By multiplying 0.5. So what we can see, it's an increasing multiplication with zero point 0.5. So first we multiply zero point 0.5, then 1, then 1.5, then what is the next multiplication? With 2. So 3 times 2 is 6. So what replace the question mark? 6. So let's check that if 6 is correct, verified or not with 15, because after 2 we have to multiply with 2.5. So 6 multiplied 2.5 is 15. So yes, it's verified. So what is the value of this question mark? 6 only. If you have any other logic, comment down below. And if you find it useful, so don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.